testing is basically writing code that runs while the agent is writing more code. So the agent writes code to test that what it does makes sense. So this serves like many purposes. Testing serves following purposes. So it helps to avoid situation when a future change breaks something silently. So a change to the authentication flow breaks, for example, whether we see the authentication gate on application start. So if the authentication gate was covered in test, there is a high chance that the changes we did to the authentication will not break this part silently. If so, the goal of having tests is to see if the change we are doing now breaks something in other parts of the app. And a failing test is the indication that what we did was not necessarily incorrect, but maybe it was not taking into account some implications that other pieces of our application had. So what we are doing right now needs to be aligned with the rest of the system. Or conversely, the other parts of the system might also need change to accommodate to what we are doing right now. So tests help the application from mysteriously degrade as you keep iterating on it. Another very important feature of having tests in the application is that it literally forces the agent to think in terms of testability first mode. So there are many ways to write the same code. Some of those ways are inherently less testable than other ways. And if you are not telling the agent to think in test first mode, it might end up with the app with the code that's impossible to write tests for, which will lead to it keeping silently breaking as we iterate. If we force this testability first approach right from the start, the silent breakup might not even happen. So we significantly help ourselves to delay the growth of complexity, by which point we are starting to slow down. So asking the agent to write tests is always good. So Modal has internal tools and also the guidance for the agent to follow the testability first principle, but it is always helpful to prime the agent on every step, especially if we are planning a new feature or preparing a specification to use available test tooling to verify your work, and also to think in the testability first principle when planning and writing code. So this alone will help to have a better and more robust application in the future.